నాడి ఐక్యముందు కాంచరయ్య అప్పుడే ఈ దేశం అభివృద్ధి నందునయ్యా అయ్యా అప్పుడే ఈ దేశం అభివృద్ధి నందునయ్యా. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras are all the children born of the same womb. Please perceive this truth. Brahmins are like elder brothers. Sudras are like younger brothers. How can there be any difference between children born of the same mother? Caste is based on the basis of the virtues and the behavior. If only people have virtues, they belong to the higher caste. Even if it is a Dvija, a Brahmin, if he is suffering from weaknesses and bad qualities, he is a Shudra only. Even if it is a Shudra, if he has virtues, he is as good as a Brahmin. How can there be any difference between brothers born of the same mother? You have to see this unity which is inherent in all the aspects of Bharat. Give up all these differences and quarrelsomeness. See unity. Then only the country can achieve prosperity, progress and welfare. దివ్యాత్మ స్వరూపులారా, నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఏమీ ఆశించటం లేదు, అడగటం లేదు.